Hello farmers, welcome to Addota Farm. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys preparation for rainy season farming. Preparation for rainy season farming. Wow, you know we're in the month of March, and very soon we'll be going into the month of April, right? So it is very important for us to prepare ahead of rainy season farming. You know, during April, that is when rain usually falls, and that is a particular time whereby all farmers all over the world, I believe all over the world, that is the time that we used to plant a lot, and we used to plant almost. So it's an important thing for us to prepare ahead of this rainy season. So as a farmer, I want you to put it in mind that this is the right time for you to start preparing ahead of rainy season. You know, this is a time whereby you need to prepare everything. You need to have that business, you need to have that crop that you want to plant during this rainy season. You need to have it in mind right now. So when it gets to rainy season, it won't be too much for you. What won't be too much for you? So you need to prepare ahead of rainy season right now. Rainy season is a very good thing. Rainy season is just the best time for you to plant. You know, rainy season is just a natural source of rain that falls during April till ending of October or November. Sometimes it will reach November, sometimes it will be October. So apart from us using the mechanical instrument or to water our plant or to spread water inside our farm, you know, rain will fall, and it will have a particular time whereby rain will fall. So start preparing for rainy season now is a very important thing. I'll be giving you some steps that you'll be taking ahead of rainy season. One is to, if you are a farmer, I believe by now you must have started clearing the bush, clearing that piece of land that you use for the particular crop that you plant during this rainy season. This is the right time for you to start clearing the land. Land clearing can be done by two methods. It will either be manual or you use with the help of mechanical. You either use manually or you use mechanically. So manually, just the assessment of maybe hiring laborers to come to your piece of land and start clearing it now. This is the best time for you to clear it. Why mechanical is the use of machines. Like the word sound, mechanical is the use of machine to start clearing the piece of land that you want, or that you might have put in mind that you're going to cultivate something or crops in that particular land. This is the best time for you to start cultivating. This is the best time for you to start clearing the bushes in that particular piece of land that you want to use during this raining season. Second thing is start making your heap up, but that will be done when rain has fallen to the soil already. Making your ridges. Although making your ridges will depend on the type of crops that you plant in that particular piece of land. If, for example, if you want to plant something like tuber crops or something that has to do with root, like yam, potato, and the rest, cassava, you know, you will make heaps. Yes, you are going to make heap before you start planting these particular crops. But if it were to be cereal crop or were to be maize, millet, and the rest, then you won't make heap. You can plant it on the normal surface of ground and it will grow. Although it depends if the rain fall or not, but if the rain has already fallen to the soil, you can plant this type of crops like that. So third point that I want to give to you guys today is, what crop do you want to plant during rainy season? I'll be giving you the list of crops that you can plant during this raining season. Number one of them is corn. The one showing on the video right now is maize, corn. You can plant maize during this rainy season, and maize is an annual crop, not perennial crop. It's go within 3 months to 4 months thereabout before you know your maize is ready and you start selling it. Millet is the number 2. crops that you plant. Cassava is also there, potato is also there, tomato is also there, and vegetables are vegetable crops. You can plant vegetable during raining season. If you see that the rain has already fallen to the soil, start cultivating, get your crops and start planting it immediately, and you see that they will grow very fast. So I just want to share these few ideas with you guys, and I know if you practice it, it will be very good. If you are thinking on how to start up a maize farm also, you can watch some of our previous video that we done or that we show concerning maize farming, and if you didn't understand it, you can contact my number and we'll discuss very better. So if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to Addota Farm, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified when next we drop a new videos for you. Thank you.